Welcome to this introduction to our advanced manufacturing and inventory control software from Infotech Systems. This SQL-based family of software modules, known as AMICS SQL for short, has been specifically designed with the flexibility and power to address your company's unique inventory control challenges. The AMICS SQL software is modular in design with the inventory module at its core. Modules can be mixed and matched depending on your requirements and budget. Additional modules can be added later with no loss in the seamless integration of data across all modules. The inventory module is at the heart of the AMICS SQL family of solutions. Here the inventory records are maintained and every inventory transaction is tracked, no matter how or where those transactions originated. The project work order module is designed to track the inventory as it is picked and consumed to a specific project or job. AMICS SQL is also barcode ready for easy deployment of either wireless or batch barcode data collection. Setting up wireless barcode capabilities is as easy as setting up a wireless laptop connection. Every AMICS SQL configuration includes the System Administration module. Here your system-wide defaults and user access and permissions are entered and maintained. Because the AMICS software is built upon an SQL Server database, there are many different ways that your inventory data can be accessed. Directly through the AMICS SQL user interface on the desktop, through the AMICS SQL Internet browser, which works from anywhere. You can also query your SQL Server data with Microsoft Excel. Data can also be imported and exported to and from Excel. We've also developed custom barcode reader programs that not only collect and transfer data, but can also wirelessly query the database for the inventory status of a scanned item. And finally, you can use an external report generator like Crystal Reports to get completely customized reporting. AMICS SQL will allow you to maintain separate inventory records in multiple warehouses, while being able to set up multiple locations and location groups within each warehouse. The system tracks all serialized and non-serialized parts. The inventory is increased as you receive new inventory. During the receiving process, you can reference other POs or documents and add notes. You pick and deplete inventory for specific projects or jobs or any other outbound material movement. We're recommending using the Project Work Order module to pick and charge material using barcode readers. You can do single item or bulk transfers of inventory internally between locations, warehouses, or projects. If you deploy a wireless barcode system to do data collection, the inventory database can be queried for the status of any scanned or manually entered item. There is a complete inventory report generator that allows you to filter and sort inventory by part number, location, warehouse, item types, and more. One of the most important features of the AMICS SQL inventory software lies in its ability to track all inventory transaction history. The system records the complete history of every inventory transaction that happens in the system, whether done manually or automatically through another module. This maintains complete part traceability of inventory from start to finish. The Project Work Order module is used when picking parts for a specific project or job. The parts that are pulled for the project are charged to the work order while being consumed from your inventory. You can pick different inventory types, including serial numbered and basic parts. If you have a list of parts to pull beforehand, you can enter the part numbers and quantities into the AMICS Project Work Order and print a work order pick list. The pick list printout will show all available items, locations, quantities, and serial numbers. You can also add material to the project work order during the pick process itself by simply scanning the work order number, part number, and serial number. To add basic non-serialized parts, the user scans the work order number, part number, location, and quantity. You can query the project work order database using either AMICS SQL work order reports or Excel queries. AMICS SQL supports both wireless and non-wireless batch barcode readers with custom user interfaces into the inventory data. These interfaces are used to perform several different functions and transactions. Receive and pick both serialized and non-serial parts much more quickly and accurately using barcode readers. This method is especially helpful when serial number tracking is critically important. Transfer inventory between locations, warehouses, or projects. You can scan an inventory item's barcode and query the database for inventory status. Within AMICS SQL itself, you'll be able to generate basic item number, serial number, and location labels. With the help of third-party software, you can generate just about any type of barcode label you might need. In the AMICS System Administration module, you will set up user access to different areas based on their login credentials. You can set up read-only access on specific screens or simply not allow them to a specific menu choice. If you're using multiple warehouses, you can set up specific warehouse permissions. System field labels such as item number can be renamed to SKU number or part number for your company. System administrators can also monitor the logged-in users at any time and delete their SQL Server session if their desktop system crashes. Likewise, system prompts and messages can also be customized to better fit your company. This presentation is just an introduction to the AMICS SQL Inventory Control solution. Please contact us for a live demo and a custom-tailored configuration. And thanks again for joining us. We're looking forward to working with you.